The Twistep is a device that was created to help pets get in and out of vehicles. It's literally releasing a pin. It swivels out very easily, locks into place so it's firm and stable for the dog.
The Twistep is very easy to use. Loading the dog in and out of the car is just a snap now. She just hops on, gets right into the back of the car.
The Twistep has been a big benefit for me, obviously, but more so for my pup. When we flip that thing out, he knows it's go time, and so he's jumping up in the rig, he's all excited. And then again, as soon as he's in, we flip it back underneath and we're off.
The actual process of getting the dog in the vehicle is very quick. We go out to the car, I twist the step around, and she jumps right in.
It's extremely durable, easy to use, and it helps my dog continue her active lifestyle.
The Twistep has really benefited our life with our dog because it's allowed us to not only load and unload the dog easily, but it also makes it much easier to just be everyday active with a pet.
Dogs deal with arthritis, it's just the nature of the game. And so whether it's now or whether it's sometime down the road, to remain active with your pet, this is something that could really serve you well.
Our dog Callie is very energetic. The Twistep gives her a little pause before she gets in and out of the car.
The biggest benefits of the Twistep are getting my dog in the car. She wouldn't get in the car before, and now she likes to get in the car.
The fact that it's built to stay in the hitch receiver and travel with the vehicle makes it really convenient and easy to use every time I go with my pet.
Never had any issues in the rain, in the snow. Functionality is great. Twist in when you're not using, twist out when you are using. It's very easy.
It just makes sense. Swivel it out when you need it, stow it away when it's time to go.
Our pets are really important to us. The Twistep saves a lot of wear and tear on our pets. For future active lifestyle, vet bills, it is well worth the price.
Twistep is awesome, totally worth the money, totally worth the investment, and you'll get a lot of great miles out of it.